I'm so excited to be here today. My name is Melody, and I am founder and facilitator of Build Curious Studios. I love playing with plus. I love playing with math. And so I'm here today to talk to you about Pi. Pi Day is coming up. When's Pi Day?
3.14.
Excellent! It is March 14th. It is this upcoming Saturday, or today. I don't know what day you're watching this. So the reason that March 14th, 314, is Pi Day is because 3.14 is the value of pi. It actually has never-ending digits extending on for forever. So most people, 3.14, easy to remember, easy as pie. So because we are celebrating the ratio 3.14 on Pi Day, March 14th, we're going to talk about what's a ratio. It is when one thing is compared to another. And if it's a consistent ratio, then no matter how you scale that, the relationship stays the same. And so we're going to measure a bunch of circles, and we're going to understand why pi is 3.14 for Pi Day. Not this kind of pi, though. How many digits of pi do you know?
That's at 3.14.
Cool. Yay. What matters most is that pi is a ratio. Pi helps us understand circles, kind of like a pie. So they're not actually related in how those words came about, but they sound similar. We love them. Specifically, we can estimate, or we can calculate the circumference of a circle when we have the diameter, or vice versa. If we know the circumference, we can figure out the diameter or the radius, diameter, circumference. And so we are going to be estimating today. We don't need exact calculators. We will, so that we have those numbers. That'll be fun. But we're going to play with pi. We're going to demonstrate what pi is, how pi is related, why pi. So for today, we're not going to measure in inches. We're not going to measure in miles. We're going to measure in plus blocks. So I consider that to be like perpendicular 2D connection, and this is what I consider parallel 2D connection. So this is what we're using for today. And technically our one unit is 2 Why would I want an even number of blocks when I'm making a circle? Yes, because I want both ends to connect. You are exactly correct. Thank you very much. Our unit of measurement is going to be 2 blocks. I've already made some examples ready to go. So I got some units here. We can start measuring the diameter across our, does anybody know what this is? We call this a compact disc. We used to use them to watch movies and videos, or listen to music and watch videos. So to estimate that diameter, we're just gonna go straight across the middle. We could go a little further, but again, our unit of measurement is this, not a single block, so we're gonna stop there. Pi is 3.14. So we know that we want this shape times 3 plus a little bit extra. So we'll throw these pieces in the mix. Why not? So we have our diameter. Let's see if this will make our circumference.
And reminder, circumference is
the outside of the circle. So we have our direct straight across estimated, and we're going to use that to figure out all around the outside. Like if you were building a castle with a circular tower and you knew about how wide you wanted it to be, you can calculate exactly how much stone you need to make the external crenellations. If you are making a table and you want to make it a circle, you can know exactly how much material you need thanks to pi. So pi is a ratio, a relationship. It is not actually just a single number. One circumference is equal to 3.14 diameters of your circle, or 2r, 2 radius, because the diameter is twice your radius on your circle. Our diameter across the middle of our circle, 3 plus a little bit extra, gets us our circumference. So since our original diameter was 7, and then we tripled that, 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 7 is 21, but pi is not exactly 3. So we added these extra 2 little pieces here, and so 23. If we have a diameter that measures approximately 7, our circumference is approximately 23. So we could math it out. We just mathed it out without a calculator. That's playing with pi. That's All you need to understand pi is to make some stuff. Make some sticks and circles and measure things. Simple as pie.